Ukrainians use HIMARS to destroy Russian S-400 air defense command post. According to images posted on the special Kherson CAT Twitter account on May 30th, 2023, Ukrainian soldiers using US-supplied HIMARS multiple launch rocket systems have, for the first time, destroyed a Russian 55K-6E command post of an S-400 Triumph air defense missile system. The S-400 Triumph is Russia's most advanced operational air defense system, according to Army recognition. One of the key components is the 91N6E Big Bird Acquisition and Battle Management Radar. The radar system serves as the eyes of the S-400, scanning the airspace for potential threats within a range of several hundred kilometers. It detects and tracks multiple targets simultaneously, including aircraft, drones, and ballistic missiles. The 55K-6E command post is another crucial part of the system. This is where all the data from the radar units is analyzed and decisions are made about how to respond to the threat. The command post ensures that the system operates coherently and coordinates the launch of the missiles. Speaking of missiles, the S-400 system utilizes several different types, each designed for a specific range and type of target. Finally, the system includes logistical support vehicles.